nature.
Would it sound better if I were a man?
And I'm not sorry.
You're the one with the problem.
I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
Why don't you just deal with it?
'Cause I'm not sorry.